In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a link in bio page on Payhip. A lot of people think you need a separate service to build a link in bio, but if you're using Payhip, you actually already have one. Payhip automatically gives you a mini storefront that works perfectly as a link in bio page. When someone taps that link from your social media profile, they'll see all your products laid out neatly and can buy right away. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set that up step by step. First, log into your Payhip dashboard. Once you're in, look along the top menu and find the tab labeled Products, then click it. Here, you want to make sure you actually have products listed. If you already see at least one product, that's great. If not, look to the top right of this page and click Add New Product to create one. It doesn't need to be perfect right now. The important thing is that you have at least one product for people to see when they land on your page. After you've confirmed you have products, you need to make sure they're all visible. Still on the products page, find a product you want to appear on your link in bio and click either Edit or Manage, depending on what you see. Inside the product editor, scroll down until you find the visibility section. Check that it's set to visible, not draft or hidden. This setting controls whether people can see the product on your storefront. Repeat this visibility check for every product you want to show when someone clicks your link in bio. It's worth taking a minute here to be intentional about what appears on that page, since it's often the first thing new visitors see. Once you're done with your products, scroll back up to the top of the Payhip dashboard. Look to the top left, find the account option, and from the drop-down, choose Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down until you find the section with your username. Here, you'll see your store's URL. This is the link that leads to your mini storefront. Go ahead and copy that URL. Now open your chosen social media platform and go to your profile settings. Look for the field where you can edit your bio or website link. In the bio, type a short call to action, something like visit my store or shop my resources, and then paste your Payhip store link right after that text or in the dedicated website field. Finally, make sure you click Save so your changes are applied. Once it's saved, your Payhip storefront is now your link in bio, ready for your audience to explore and shop.